Hey guys, so it's evening and I'm at the Cascade Complex now, so I'll show you around. So here we are at the beginning bit, and further up you can see the steps, very nicely lit up. Let's take a little slow walk. We've got all these sculptures as you're walking up to the stairs. You can see a teapot there. There's a few more further up. This one's a bit random. It looks like a sumo wrestler or something. It's a bit cold, so sorry if I'm sniffling away. It's a bit of a random one. And the two horses there as well. Slowly approaching steps. Some more sculptures as we're walking up. There's a few nice restaurants at the side as well. As you can see here in the snow, looks like some kind of weird penguin there. Right guys, time to go up the steps. Just going up the steps now guys. Oh, it's freezing cold. First set of steps done guys. Whew, I'm a bit out of breath guys. Still climbing. Just showing you the view as I go up at each point. You can start to see the TV tower in the background over there now as I start to get further up. Still continuing with my ascent. Made it to the top. Let me show you around now. Look at that view. It's really nice with all the city lights in the background. And you can see the TV tower in the background as well. And that's my walk up guys. Hope you enjoyed that little view. I'm gonna walk all the way down now and maybe get something like a hot chocolate. Take it for now. Come with me.